Alright guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make your own set of pinning tweezers. The reason for this is that the cost of buying a ready-made pair is it seems very high to me. You can pay 10, 20, I even saw a set for £30 for one set of pinning tweezers. I got these, they're anti-static tweezers, for £2 on Amazon, and that came with all of these. 6 pairs of anti-static tweezers for £2. And they did come from China, so it took a few weeks to arrive, but let's see, the value is very good. So in order to make your own set, and those are finished, I'm going to use another set, or make another set. All you need is one of these little pencil files, or needle files. That's just the round one, and all you have to do is just put the file towards the end, or as near to the end as you can get it, and then maybe put your finger there so you get and just continue doing that until you get a little, I don't know if that will show on the camera, you get a little indentation basically. So I get a pin to show how they work. So that's holding a spool pin, and it holds them perfectly firmly, so if you're building locks and what have you, they're easy to just drop in, and they don't spin round like that, which you would get with normal tweezers. Yeah, and that's it basically. With this particular set, I filed the grooves in towards the end, and then just filed the end right off, so that the little pin gripping grooves are right at the end of the tweezers there. That just makes it a bit easier when you're repinning the lock. So yeah, I hope that's been of some help, and thank you for watching.